How to change Facebook password. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and log into your account. Once you do that, you want to navigate to your settings by clicking on the three lines at the top and then click on the settings gear icon. From the account section, click on password and security and then click on login where you can change password. And here you will have three fields. You need to type in the current password, then the new password, and then retype the new password as a confirmation so that Facebook knows that you didn't make any mistakes in the first password. And after that, click on update password and your password will be changed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your Facebook password. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.